Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of all the new videos that we do here every week about all making money online, money making systems and money making strategies. Right, let's get straight on with this money making video, and today we're just going to show how you can leverage the free ebook distribution to so you can add your affiliate links basically to the inside the ebook, and when people click on the affiliate link, they go to the page and they buy, you receive a commission. So for this example, we're just going to, I have a cat, and cats do come with problems. And you can see here, if you type in on Google how to stop cats, and this is what people are actually typing in. So people want to know how to stop cats scratching furniture, spraying, scratching carpet. So scratching furniture, scratching carpet, and all sorts of things, probably wallpaper, anything, walls. And you can see what people are typing. These are the problems that they're looking for a solution. So let's have a look at if I can get this working. From how to stop cats from scratching. So you can see everybody's typing everything in here: furniture, walls, leather furniture, wallpaper, carpet, doors, door frames. So this is a major problem. So people are looking for a solution to this problem. So why don't we provide the solution for them? And at the same time, we can obviously make some money by helping them. So all I do, basically, I go on Google Docs and I type these very not too long reports out, or little ebooks you can call them. These are only about 13 to 15 pages. I mean, all I've done basically is gone into Google and type this in, and you can see the problem, and you can also see what the solutions are. So there's no secrets to this. All the information is already out there. All these pictures are from Pixabay. Just break up the actual text here on Google Docs, which is free, and you can provide as much information as you want. So this is an example how we can monetize this type of thing. We've done this free report we can give away for free, and how to stop your cat from scratching. So obviously one of the solutions is actual scratching posts. So we can just actually show that on here and click here for our best scratching post deals and recommendations. And you can do that for another cat trees. Some of these are very, very expensive actually. I know you're only receiving probably 3-4%, maybe on like Amazon as an associate, but when people shop for one thing, they normally buy another. You get the actual link, don't you, when you go on Amazon, and they say, oh, let's have a look actually. So if you click on this, best scratching posts, this is your affiliate link that you would put in your file, on your actual report, and this will take them to all these scratching posts. This is the solution to the problem. Lots and lots of stuff here that people can buy. There must be one for everybody. There must be something on there which people will find attractive. Scratching posts in the little hammock bed, you know. But here is the solution to the problem. So you've outlined the problem in your docs, and then they click on here to click here for the best scratching post dealer recommendations. This is your affiliate link. They go to Amazon, and when they buy, you receive a commission. All very straightforward. This is just cats scratching. You can have cats spraying is another one. Cat biting, cats fighting. You can do a separate report on all these issues and basically give them away for free. You could give them away just as a reward for somebody joining your mailing list, and then once they join your mailing list, you can send them like the top deals on the scratching posts, or the top deals on trees, and you can also give them more of these free reports as a reward for their loyalty and being part of your mailing list. But this is basically how you make your money. I mean, you can even distribute your ebook or report. You can put them on these PLR sites, and people can just download it and distribute it as they wish. your affiliate links are embedded into it. So when you finish your report here, put all your affiliate links in, then you just click on File and then Download, and you want to choose this, save the file as a PDF document. Everybody can read PDF documents, so it's as simple as that. Then they can read all the information, click on your affiliate links, and then you can make money. And to give them an entice, it's good to actually do like an ebook cover for this. So I'll just go to Canva. I'll just put this in here actually. So you can put your website, if you want to promote your website, you can do that here. So here's our report. What we've done is how to stop your cat from scratching, understanding the problem and finding the solution. So obviously they give you Canva give you all sorts of things for free here. The ones with the crown they're for pro. You have to pay for this pro membership, but there's lots of different. Let's choose this cat picture and put it in here. Yeah, that works quite well. Then you can change the text. You can change the background as well. Let's go to background here. You can change all this, but we'll stick with that one for now. So what you need to do is just save this file once you've completed it, and then you can go to a free place like DIY book covers. Let's have a look at one of these. Maybe let's have a look. Maybe that one. Yes, I'll go with that one. So we're just doing a single. We don't do a composite. Composite's different. Like a duet, basically. So you just want the single. So we choose that one there, and then go to next. Browse to your file, and then upload. So there's your image, and we click next. Choose what you want to save it as. I'll just choose JPEG. And we can see, we can do that. There we go. So there's the actual report that you can place on a website. You can place on a free WordPress website if you wanted. You can link to this from a profile if you wanted to. Like I say, you can do it for entice people to join your mailing list. So this looks like they're getting something of value absolutely free. A good place to promote your website if you have one. But if you don't need a website, basically, you can just get people just to go to like a free WordPress site. If you didn't want to spend any money getting a domain or anything, you can do it that way. So you just add your link here, and the link will be to the PDF file, which they will download, and then they can open up this report on their computer or on their mobile phone, and then they can click on the links, and they can go to different products which you're advertising inside the ebook. Give these away. I mean, this is the way to do it. Easy to do. Just go onto Canva, a free service, and just do this free design. You can play about with it as you wish, add in text, and you can make as many of these free ebooks or free reports as you want, and it all looks very professional, doesn't it? Oops. But a great way. It's a great way of getting people to click on your affiliate links by giving them something you've solved the problem. People go online looking for solutions to problems. As you can see, they're all typing these things in, common things. So let's try another one. I mean, this is just cats from maybe biting. So you can see what people are typing in. You can do a report on biting, fighting. Let's have a look at fighting. Fighting. Yeah, you see, all this is all there for you. This is what people are looking for solutions for. All these issues, all these problems. Just do a simple report. All the information is already on Google. You just retype it out. If you didn't want to do that yourself, you can go onto Fiverr, and people will do this just for a few dollars, just a simple report. This is only 13 pages long. There's a lot of images took from Pixabay, free to use, and you can promote all these products. You see, there's all these different wall-mounted scratching posts. just put your affiliate link underneath, get the best prices, the best deals, and then text them to Amazon where they can see all this information. So let's say cat, is it cat trees? Yeah, cat trees. You can see some of these prices are $90, $134. You can put a link in your ebook to all of these and just bring them to this page. And obviously, because of the Amazon cookie, if they buy a certain tree, let's have a look at this one, for example. And you can see what happens here. You see, when frequently bought together, people who bought this tree also bought this, which to entertain your pet cat. They're chasing his ball around, and so on and so on. That's what Amazon does, and it just adds another product to the shopping cart, and you will make more commission. Giving free reports away is a great way. I've been doing this for years and years, and you can do it on just about everything. This is cats. You can do it on any pet, basically. You can do it on anything, tropical fish if you wanted. All the information is all online, and you just got to just write out these simple reports. That's all it is. Add your affiliate links, and you will get paid again and again and again. But that's it for today. Just a very quick video, but just shows you how you can leverage by providing these free reports. Just do a simple design for your ebook, and then that's all there is to it. Very, very simple. You do these professionally. You can do a big series of these if you wanted on one topic. You can make them again and again and again, and just keep adding your affiliate links from your Amazon Associates membership there. You just sign up for the Associates program on Amazon, and they've got millions and millions of products that you can promote to make a commission. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Everything is covered here. I mean, if you didn't want to write, you're not very good at writing these reports, you can just go to Fiverr and get people to do it for you just for a few dollars. And you can just do these again and again and again and again and distribute them any way you want. TikTok, anything like that, Instagram, put the link in your profile. That's basically how you do it. And people are always looking for problems, solutions to their problems, like in this occasion, how to stop your cat from scratching. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that today. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and be notified of any new videos that we do, which is every week. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, I've done a free course on this, how you can make $1,000 plus commissions promoting high ticket affiliate marketing products. If that's for you, you will see the link in the description down below. A free course, 90 minutes long, 100% free, on 3 videos. You can just watch it at your leisure, and you'll be very welcome to join me on that. Thank you again for your time today. My name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.